Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi Sudoku puzzle on July 5, 2022, 4 star Sudoku. Column C, column D, we have 8. 8th row and 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. Column C also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, column C, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row and third row, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column J and second row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade. Then column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I and 5th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column I and 5th grid, we have 4. So 4 column come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 6th row, we already have 2, so 2 column come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 3rd grid, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Third grid and 9th grid, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 9th grid, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, the 9 is confirmed here. 6th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 5th row, then column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 2nd row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 8th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.